Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a mega cannon. Put down your seat. Either you take your cannon and spam it, just like this. So there's gonna be a problem with this part. Yeah, it goes on top. So I recommend you try anchoring it with your anchor block, or have anchor block on by default like that. Then once that's done with, all you need to do is kinda just put down something like any activation device, chair even. For me, I usually use the Easter update lever. Click it. Oh. Sorry. Click it. Now we're gonna see about this. So you could know that it's all ready by the flame going crazy like that. Once you're sure that you gave it enough time, it will be quite easy. What you need to do is simply, let's just do this. So you could prank your friends, maybe even your teammates that are even like just random people. Okay, you can do this to anyone. All you need to do is just tap on them and boom. Yeah, kind of missed. And then it looks so nice with the cloud. So what about the way that is better, and that's way better? So this is like only for the pros, I recommend. So we put that down, and since this is so near to our head, all we need to do is tap on near the middle of the block, and when that happens, it will just place it the same. And then I'm making a video. Once that is done, you put down the activation lever. Make sure to anchor block everything. Collision off even, and let's just go and delete it all. Once that's done, if you want to, you guys could put the lever on the block, but you can also do like that. It's weird, but it works. Or you could just select all. Like that, so you know, like, oh, they just think it's a floating block. Press that. Press your target. Mega cannon.